Superman, what's up? I wonder, do you want to go for a race? Huh? Crazy car race? Yeah? That sounds fun. Just you and me? No, I also called Aquaman, so it's going to be 3 of us. I'm going to have the taxi. I am going to have the police car. Sure, I will take the ambulance. Alright guys, let's begin. Alright, this is Wonder Woman's police car. Let's begin. Whee! This one. Twist again. Good job. And now rotate. Oh no, wait, what to do? Oh, here you go. Now let's call the airplane. Hi, let's get on. Airplane, come on, airplane. Do your job. Okay, airplane is right there. Let's jump, police car. Oh no, we're stuck. We have to climb again. One more time, airplane, you can do it. Come on. Come on, airplane. Come on, airplane, you can do it. Okay, let's jump this time, okay? We have to get it. Yay, we got it. Drop. All right, go away, airplane. Bye-bye, thank you. Now let's push down. Wait, what happened? It's not working? Oh, I pushed the wrong button. Oops. I have to push which button? Here we go. Let's level this up. Yay, hooray! We got it. A little late, but it's okay. Aquaman's ambulance. Let's go. Oops, wrong one. And jump. Woo! So cool. Alright. Yay! Now what? Oh, which one is it? No, not this one. It's this one. Hooray! Yay! That's it, guys. Good job. This is Superman's taxi. Are you ready? Let's go. Whoops. Again. Oops, wrong one. Ooh, almost there. Almost there. Okay, let's turn. Now, let's roll. Yay. Airplane, come on, let's get it. Airplane is coming. Okay, airplane is coming.